Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can install mods in BeamNG.Drive. So there is two ways. First one, you just need to press escape or be in the main menu on BeamNG.Drive, go to repository, then go to mods and then subscribe to certain mod. And then once you press subscribe here like this, once you select the mod, then you just need to go to load up your game, go to vehicles, find that particular mod and then load. And it will be in the game here. This is the easiest way, but of course with default mod installer, it will be mods that is not too good. And the second way is to use third-party websites to get mods. One of them is Modland. So if we go on BeamNG, as you can see here, there is pretty good mods that I can install to BeamNG. But beware of that because these mods is uploaded by third-party members, so it can be viruses. So what I suggest to do here is to select the mod, then look for the comments, if there is some bad or good comments, and also you can download it and test it on a virus website, right? Just download mod here. As you can see here, continue to external site, generate link. And once you do so, I will show you what you need to do next. Once mod is downloaded, go to virustotal.com, choose file and drop that particular mod file here to look if there is no viruses, right? As you can see here, if in this particular case there is no viruses, you can easily use in BeamNG. And to upload mod, you just need to write run or simply press Windows and I key. And then here you just need to write %local app data %. Press OK. Then here you need to look for Beam, as you can see here, BeamNG.Drive. Then press in this folder here and then look for mods. Then you just need to drag and drop zip file like this, like you downloaded, and a mod will be in your game. Or if you have two monitors, it will be convenient for you to go to repository, then mod manager, open mod folder here, and then from other monitor you just need to drag and drop that particular mod. And then if you want to load mod, just load the game, press escape, go to vehicles, then look for your mod name, and then you just need to replace current. And as you can see here, mod should be working, right? So yeah, that's basically it.